I just can't believe I'm actually introducing my very own, my very first brand new sewing pattern. This is the jewelry wallet sewing pattern. This is going to be an instant PDF download file that will include detailed instructions step by step with plenty of pictures, as well as a video instructions that you can find here on my YouTube channel. All the links for the pattern, the YouTube video, and anything you will need is down in the description of this video, as well as on my website at alliesewcrafty.com. This little project I think is great for a confident beginner, and only because you have some binding that needs to be done to complete the project, as well as some clear pockets using clear vinyl. So if you haven't done anything with clear vinyl and you want to get started with practicing and trying using clear vinyl, I think this is a great project for you, because all you have is a couple of little pieces and it will give you the opportunity to practice with that material, as well as the binding. Now the binding is not that difficult because you have a lot of long edges and only the 4 little corners here. So if you're new at binding, I think this is a great project for you. Now this jewelry wallet shouldn't take more than 2.5 hours to make. And once you start making several of these, you will get them done in no time. It is going to be a quick little project. It's a perfect gift. And also, it's perfect if you want to sell them in your craft fairs or on your website. For once, it won't take long to make, so you can make several in one day. Second, I use minimal amount of fabric. In fact, you can use 2 fat quarters or maybe half a yard of fabric. So the materials, it can be very economical. Also, there is not a lot of interfacing that goes on. You will need some foam interfacing. I highly recommend that. And some Pilon SF101 or weft interfacing. I usually use the weft interfacing that I find from Fabric Wholesale Direct, but that's all you will need. Also, you will need just 4 fashion snaps and a small piece of a zipper. So it really doesn't take a lot of materials. This version here has the regular magnetic snaps, but if you have the ribbon magnetic snap, you can also install those, and it just gives it a nice little touch here at the front of the flap. So that's why this is a great product, and it will be perfect for selling because you'll be able to keep it very profitable for you. For the inside of the jewelry wallet, as you can see, we have a ring holder, and this ring holder is thin enough to fit the smallest size ring you may have. It also has an earring card, and this earring card is attached to your jewelry wallet, so that way it's more convenient for you to put your earrings here, and the strap will ensure that you don't forget your earring card somewhere. I used number 10 plastic canvas, and this you can find at any of your craft stores or online, and it's a canvas for embroidery, and that fits in that gusset pocket perfectly. You also have a drop pocket, and that helps because you have these tabs here where you can put your bracelets or a necklace or anything like that. So the drop pocket will help for your jewelry to just fit in there perfectly. Now for these tabs, I have 2 options. You have the faux leather option or the fabric option. If you don't have any faux leather around, or if you don't feel comfortable using faux leather, then the fabric option will be perfect for you. And I show you how to make both types of tabs in my instructions. And then you have a small little pocket here at the bottom. And so all you need is a small piece of zipper, a number 5 zipper, and that's it. And then you're binding. I used quilting cotton for all my prototypes, but you can also use home decor fabric if you want. I did not try any faux leather or vinyl for any of these, but if you decide that you want to give that a try, I would love to see your final project and how it looks using faux leather. So if you don't mind, you can tag me at any of the social medias. Here's my handle, and I will love to see how it turned out. Now, if you decide to use faux leather for your jewelry wallet, I still highly recommend that you use foam interfacing. Foam interfacing helps creating some cushion to the jewelry wallet, which it may assist in preventing any of your jewelry pieces from breaking. Now, there's no guarantee that that may happen, but having some of that cushion may help. So definitely use foam interfacing. And something else that I did that I found it was fun to do was to actually quilt the exterior fabric to my foam. Only the exterior though. For the lining, I did not quilt it together, but you can probably do that as well. So that is just something fun to do. For this jewelry wallet, you can use a domestic sewing machine as well as a industrial sewing machine. So this little jewelry roll really comes very handy because you can fold it, as you can see, in 3 different parts, and it will fit perfectly in any of your bags. This jewelry wallet is the perfect companion when you travel and you need to keep all your jewelry in one place, safe and secure. Whether you're using this to hold your jewelry for a long weekend travel, or because you go to the gym or the park after work and you want to put your custom jewelry here, or simply when you are traveling, because this little jewelry wallet will fit perfectly inside your carry-on bag, your tote, or even your day-to-day handbag. When it's completely full, like this one, you can fold it and you'll be able to see how the jewelry stays in place. It doesn't fall off. And that's because of the pockets and the zipper pocket. I really hope you enjoy making the jewelry wallet. I would love to hear from you. Send me any comments, messages, emails with your suggestions, comments. I would love to hear from you if you have any questions for me. Now go check out my video on how to make this beautiful jewelry wallet. I cannot wait to see how yours turned out. Remember, the PDF instructions to purchase it are down in the description, and the full video tutorial is right here. Ciao!